Welcome to Coyote Point Recreation Area, a hidden gem in the San Francisco Bay that offers stunning views, easy trails, and some of the best plane spotting in the Bay Area. Located in San Mateo, Coyote Point sits right along the landing path to San Francisco International Airport. That means throughout your visit, you'll be treated to the thrilling sight of jets flying low overhead as they descend toward the runway. But Coyote Point is much more than just a place to watch planes. The park stretches along the shoreline and is perfect for a relaxing stroll along its well-maintained beach paths. The beach itself is calm and clean with gentle waves and scattered pebbles, great for a quiet walk, skipping stones, or simply enjoying the breeze. On a clear day, the views are truly something special. Look north and you'll see the San Francisco skyline shimmering in the distance. To the east across the bay, the buildings and hills of Oakland are also visible. Is the perfect spot to just pause, take it all in, and maybe snap a photo or two. As you follow the trail beyond the beach, it gradually transitions into a more natural and slightly rocky pebble beach. This short walk is peaceful and scenic, and the pebbles underfoot give it a different texture compared to most Bay Area parks. The further you go, the better your vantage point becomes, especially for plane watching and bay views. Eventually, the path leads you inland a bit and gently rises toward a small hill. At the top, you'll find a war memorial, a stone monument standing quietly among the trees. It's a simple but moving tribute to fallen soldiers and a great place to reflect for a moment. The area is quiet, shaded, and offers a sweeping view of the water. From here, you can continue along the trail to reach the marina in Half Mile, which is not covered in this video. Along the way, you'll pass through shaded picnic areas. There are picnic tables and barbecue spots available on a first-come, first-served basis, making this a great park for small gatherings or a casual outdoor lunch. As the day goes on, most visitors find themselves drawn back to the water's edge. The beach area, with its open sky and perfect view of the constant stream of airplanes, becomes the perfect place to unwind and spot the planes that are landing at San Francisco International Airport. One after another, aircraft from all over the world glide silently over the bay, their landing gear down, lights blinking in the fading light. You'll see everything from small regional jets to massive international airliners, and if you're lucky, you might even catch a cargo plane or a low-flying jumbo jet passing directly overhead. Whether you're a local or just visiting the San Francisco Peninsula, Coyote Point offers an experience you won't find anywhere else. It's a place where kids can play, adults can relax, and everyone can enjoy nature with a side of aviation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and check out the above videos for outdoor adventures around California.